This is my review of the AllEasy LED keyboard. This thing has blue keys, which gives it great tactile feedback and responsiveness during typing as well as gaming. The keys are extremely easy to remove and made of plastic, so easy to clean, easily to replace in case of breaking. The metal housing gives it great longevity. On the bottom, as you can see, you've got mounts to elevate the backside of the keyboard as well. And then one of the coolest features of this particular keyboard is the different keystroke options, the LED backlit options, which is easy to change by simply holding down the function button in the home, which gives you the different effects. This is the explosion effect. Different variation of that. Just showing you all the different options here. And then it's very easy to alter the colors by simply holding down the function key and using the arrows to select your color of choice. So phenomenal keyboard. Great option for the price. You can't beat the price for a mechanical keyboard of this quality, and it just works so well. Extremely well-rounded product. I'm really happy with this product from AllEasy. Thanks for watching.